Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install OpenSuSe on VirtualBox. Open browser, then go to get.opensuse.org. See here we have two types of distributions, desktop and server. The installation is same for both. Okay, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install desktop on VirtualBox. Click on desktop. See here we have two types of desktop distributions. I am going with Leap. Click on this download. See, at the time of making this video, the available OpenSuSe Leap version is 15.5. Now click on this offline image. Then click on download. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. I am cancelling this download because I have already downloaded the OpenSuSe. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. VM VirtualBox. Okay. Click on it. See, I have these virtual machines. To create new virtual machine, click on new or machine and select new. Both are same. Then provide the name for virtual machine. I am giving OpenSuSe Leap 15, and this is the path to store virtual machine files and folders. I am going to, if you are okay with this location, keep as it is. Otherwise, click on other and select the path. Let me create new folder. Enter. Select the folder. See, I have selected the folder. In ISO image, click on drop down, then select other. Then select the downloaded OpenSuSe Leap 15 DVD ISO file. Click on open. See, once we selected, the version has been changed to OpenSuSe 64. Then click on next. Here we have to provide the RAM size. I am giving RAM size as 4 GB. Then click on next. Hard disk size I am giving 50 GB. Then click on next. This is the summary. If you want to edit any of these virtual machine settings, you have to click on back and edit and then click on next. Okay, I am okay with all these settings. Click on finish. See, these are the settings. Again, if you want to edit, select the virtual machine from the left menu and select the settings, or right click and select the settings. Both are same. Okay, I am okay with all these settings. Click on the start button or right click and select start, then normal start. Both are same. Click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the installation and hit enter. See, language settings, keyboard and license agreement. If you want to change the language settings, click on this one and select the language. Otherwise, if you are okay with all these settings, just click on next. click on S, select the repositories. I am going with this default selected ones and click on next. Select the system role, that is type of desktop or server or transactional server. Okay, I am going with desktop with KDE Plasma. Select it and click on next. If you want to set guided setup or change the partition type, you have to select. Otherwise, click on, if you are okay with these settings, click on next. Here we have to select the time zone. I am going to select. You can select by changing this drop down button. Okay, otherwise just click on this world map and select the, with this cursor, select the location. Okay, then click on next. Now we have to create the user, that is local user. Provide the user full name, then username. I'm okay with this username also. Then provide the password. Uncheck this one, click on next. If you don't want to create user, you have to click on this skip user creation. Then click on next. Click on S. See, this is the installation summary. If you are okay with all these settings, click on install. Otherwise, if you want to modify any one of them, you have to click on this back. Okay, then you edit and click on install. This is confirmation, then click on install. See, installation has been completed. Click on OK to restart. Then click on boot from hard disk. Select the first option. Yeah. Provide the password of the user. Click on close. Click on application launcher. Then click on console. See here it is terminal. Double click and maximize. Now more /etc os-release. See, we have installed OpenSuSe Leap and its version is 15.5. So in this video we have seen how to download and install OpenSuSe 15 on VirtualBox. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.